Yo, what's up everyone? Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I would like to take a little bit more time and elaborate on the approach that I take to apply tattoo ointment to a healing tattoo, as you see right here. With that being said, let's dive straight on into it. So as you can see right here, we have a healing finger tattoo that was done about 3 days ago, give or take, and some change. I can't be too sure, but that ballpark of about 3 days. So when I'm applying ointment to a tattoo that's healing in these early stages, I feel that it's very, very crucial to understand the amounts of ointment that we are going to be using on the actual healing sites. So as you see, you can kind of see right here, it's gonna start scabbing maybe within the next few days, or not scabbing, but peeling is more of an accurate word. Now, when that's happening, you still would like to keep the tattoo moist. However, you don't want to keep it too moist, and I'm going to show you that here in this video. I do have some Ink-Eeze Green Glide. I'll leave that in the description below. I'm going to show you the appropriate amount that you're going to want to use. Right here, as you see, it's just a pea-sized amount, even less than that. This is what I'm going to use to moisturize this entire healing tattoo right here. I'm applying it ever so gently, and I am using a glove, as you see. And I'm making sure that I'm pressing soft, just literally letting the tip of my finger glide over the tattoo just to moisten it, so that way it isn't dry. But as you see, there is a thin layer. It's a bit tacky as well. But as you can see though, it's not oversaturated. There isn't clumps of Ink-Eeze over the tattoo. It's just a nice, super thin layer. The tattoo is still able to breathe and heal better over clumping it with, just clumps of Ink-Eeze or A&D, whatever you're using for the healing process on your end. For me, the point that I'm trying to make in this video is that I never like to oversaturate my tattoo healing sites. As you see right here, we do have a nice thin layer over the tattoo. It's still breathable. Upon grabbing out the Ink-Eeze, you saw how much I had in my finger. One thing we don't want to do is grab large amounts like this and put it over a small tattoo healing site like that. You really want to equate and ratio it correctly to the healing sites that are healing on your end. Do not oversaturate it is the point that I'm really trying to exhaust here in this video. Now this one is short and sweet. Less is going to be more, especially in this specific circumstance. Oftentimes less is always more. Now if I didn't touch base on anything specific, or should you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop it in the comments below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. If you're not, I also have social medias all under the same name at Daniel Yuck. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I would truly appreciate your support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell for me, as I am going to be bringing more videos like this. Thank you all for tuning in yet again. You all have a great day.